Hello fellow traders. Today we'll cover the most effective and popular trading strategies of 2024. Whether you're a new trader or looking to improve, this guide will help you guide the markets with confidence. Today we get into best trading strategies of 2024 for new traders by a pajama trader. Like this video if it resonates with you. Share with other like-minded traders. And consider subscribing for more market edge videos and charting alerts. Let's get into these trading strategies. Algorithmic trading, harnessing the power of AI. Computer programs that execute trades automatically, uses the data to detect patterns, making decisions without emotions, and is popular for high frequency trading. Why is it popular for 2024? AI advancements make trading faster and more precise. It eliminates emotional decision making for consistent results. Algorithmic trading automates the entire process, relying on AI and machine learning to make the fast-driven decisions. This has become increasingly popular as traders seek efficiency and precision. Momentum trading, riding the wave. They buy when prices rise and sell before they reverse. Relies on technical indicators like moving averages, and is perfect for short-term trading. Why is it popular in 2024? Markets react strongly to news, providing momentum opportunities. Quick profits for traders who follow trends. Momentum trading focuses on identifying strong upward trends and capitalizing on them before the trend reverses. In today's reactive markets, it's a perfect strategy for those looking for quick opportunities. Swing trading, capturing short-term trends, one of my favorites. A medium-term strategy, holding positions for days to weeks, combines technical analysis and market news, and it's a balance between day trading and long-term investing. Why is it popular in 2024? It's less time consuming, takes advantage of market trends, and it's ideal for traders who can't monitor markets full-time. Swing trading is about riding the short-term ups and downs in the market. This strategy allows traders to profit and capture without constantly monitoring the markets, making it a good middle ground for busy traders. Options trading, flexibility in every market. Options can profit from market direction or volatility. Popular strategies include iron condors and straddles, and they're used for both hedging and speculation. Why is it popular? Volatile markets have made options more attractive. It allows traders to leverage capital with less upfront investment. Option trading offers tremendous flexibility. You can profit from rising or falling or even sideways markets. And with the increased volatility in 2024, options have become a key tool for many traders. Sector rotation, following the economic cycles. It moves capital between sectors based on economic cycle. Popular sectors include tech, healthcare, and energy. It relies on macroeconomic data. Why is it popular in 2024? Sectors react differently to economic shifts like rising interest rates. It allows diversification and risk mitigation. Sector rotation involves shifting investments between sectors that perform well under specific economic conditions. As interest rates and inflation fluctuate, understanding which sectors to move into has become crucial for traders in 2024. ESG, thematic investing, focus on the future. It focuses on sustainable and ethical companies, environmental, social governance. Popular themes in 2024 include green energy, and AI. It attracts both long-term and socially conscious investors. Why is it popular? Growing demands for sustainable, ethical investments. Long-term trends like AI and green energy are shaping the future. ESG and thematic investments, or investing, are all about aligning investments with values. Investors seek out companies focused on sustainability and future trends like green energy and AI, making this a popular and forward-thinking strategy for the long-term growth. Mean reversion, betting on a return to the average. It assumes prices will revert to the historical average, uses technical indicators like Bollinger Bands, and works well in volatile markets. Why is it popular? Increased volatility offers more opportunities for reversion, ideal for traders who can identify overextended price moves. Event-driven trading, profiting from breaking news. Trades triggered by news, earnings, or geopolitical events. Requires quick analysis and execution. Can lead to big profits, but also involves higher risk. Why is it popular? Constant global news creates frequent trading opportunities. Geopolitical events like elections and central bank policies drive volatility. DRIP investing, or dividend reinvesting, purchasing and investing. Compound your dividends automatically. It automatically reinvests dividends into more shares. Allows compounding of returns over time. A popular passive strategy for long-term investors. Why is it popular? It's ideal for new traders seeking passive growth. Takes advantage of the power of compounding dividends. DRIP investing is a low-maintenance strategy that allows dividends to automatically reinvest more shares, creating a snowball effect for growth over time. For new traders, it's a simple yet powerful way to steadily build wealth in a little effort. Conclusion: finding the right strategy for you. Each strategy offers unique benefits and risk. Consider your risk tolerance, time commitment, and market conditions. Continuous learning and adapting are key to long-term success. Trading success doesn't rely on one perfect strategy. It's about finding what works for you. Whether you prefer automated trading, momentum options, or DRIP, each strategy has its place. Stay adaptable and keep learning, and you'll be well on your way to the success in 2024. Thanks again for watching.